down before. Now I'm crying, crying on the floor. There's no other way. I just can't. Oh shit! Whoa! Oh! Oh! That scared the fuck out of me! Oh shit! Oh my god! No fucking lights on. Unbelievable. On a fucking country road like bloody Jacobs Well Road, and you got no headlights on. No lights at all. How fucking dumb was that? I didn't even see him until I was on top of him. Dangerous. Oh, jeez.
Good one, Skippy.
Oh, good on ya. Oh, wonderful. Let's sit in the right lane, but let's turn left with no indicator.
Stupid as stupid does, sir.
Let's see if I'm predictable enough to say, or let's see if I can predict drivers' behaviour enough by saying that the four-wheel drive in front in the left-hand lane there, the Prado, let's see if they jump into the right-hand lane, the turning lane. Let's see how good I am at predicting driver behaviour. And the lights are green. Yep, see? Spot on. I am so good at predicting driver behaviour, it's not funny. Although it's not too bloody hard at this intersection to predict how they're going to bloody behave. There you go. Really? Oh, good one, mate. What a dickhead in the I-30N. 467YGG. You're a dick. And just crawling along, obviously having some car issues. Oh dear. Obviously breaking down. Not good. Oh, good one, buddy. 466 ZBF. Good one, buddy. Finally figured out which lane you wanted, eh? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Fucking idiot, what are you doing? Look at him. Fucking absolute fucking dick. There we go. What a dick. 264 KAR. What a fucking moron. Oh, good one, mate. Fucking legend. Absolute fucking legend. 675 HDV. That's a real good fucking move, that is. Oh, come on, you dickheads. Stop blocking the bloody roundabout. Stop blocking the fucking intersection. Mate, push forward. Push forward. Just push. Fuck, you never get out unless you push. Get.
All right.
Come on. You go. You go. I have to give way to you.
Oh no, that's a bad sign, Peter. The siren is not a good sign. That means somebody fucked up badly.
You fuckwit. You absolute fuckwit. And through a fucking red light too. What a fuckwit. Oh boy, that one is a fucking doozy. Another one who doesn't know how to fucking drive.